Hello students, good morning. This is your English class and we are doing chapter 13 conjunctions in English grammar. We have learnt that the words are used to combine two or more than two words or sentences are called conjunctions, and we have learned the usage of conjunctions also as like and we used to join two sentences of independent nature, because for since as we used to join one of the part of a sentence to show the reason. But although conjunctions are used to join opposite nature, and if we used to show conditional clauses while we used to show at the same time. Okay, so on the basis of that we're gonna solve exercise A today. What we have to do in exercise A, let's see. We have to fill in the blanks with appropriate conjunctions. So according to the sense we have to fill in the blanks the suitable conjunctions. The first one is walk slowly dash you should slip on the slippery ground. So you can write according to the sense that lest. Okay, the first one is lest. Walk slowly lest you should slip on the slippery ground. Second one is the boy came up dash gave me a letter. So write the boy came up and gave me a letter. Why and? Because we have two sentences of the independent nature, as like the boy came up, then we have gave me a letter. So we should add them with using and conjunction. So the third one, return my pen dash I will complain to the teacher. We can use otherwise conjunction. Okay, so return my pen, otherwise I'll complain to the teacher. The fourth one is my sister is ill dash my brother is fit as a fiddle. So here we have the two sentences of opposite nature, so we can use but in that, but conjunction. Okay, so fourth one, write in fourth blank but. Now let's move on further. The fifth one is take a taxi dash you will miss the train. Take a taxi, or we can use or also according to this sentence. Okay, fifth one or. Then sixth one, she was bored with the play dash she left early. She was bored with the play, so she left early. Okay, seventh one, you can complete your task dash your little brother is busy playing. So here in this sentence, two sentences, we are observing that two actions are going on. The first one is you can complete your task, completing task, then at the same time little brother is busy with playing, he is playing at the same time, so we should use while. Okay, in seventh use while conjunction. Eighth one, yes I will help you dash you are in problem. So yes I will help you when you are in problem. Okay, so here we have done with 8 also. Let's move on further. Sentence 9 is he is acting dash he wants to show that he is mad. We should use as if into that. So write in 9 as if. As if means mano. Okay, he is acting as if he wants to show that he is mad. Sorry. 10th one, the poor bird will die dash we don't nurse it once. So it is showing the condition that if we don't nurse its wound, the poor bird will die. So we should use if in 10. Okay, if means agar. It shows the conditional clause. So now we have done with exercise A. Now let's do exercise B. The first one is, let's see what we have to do in exercise B first. Combine the following pairs of sentences using appropriate conjunctions. So again we have to combine these two sentences by using suitable conjunctions. Okay, let's do it. Be honest dot be fear none. First sentence is be honest, fear none. So write here be honest and fear none. Exercise B, first and. Do I have to write the full sentence? Let's do it then. Be honest and fear none. When you are joining or combining two sentences, then there should be only one full stop that should be used at the end of the sentence. Okay. Next, my brother was ill. He could not attend his classes. My brother was ill. My brother, or we can say that my brother could not attend his classes because he was ill. My brother could not attend his classes because he was not well, or he was ill. In the sentence it is given he was ill, so write because he was ill. Okay, he was ill. Third one, you may go if you want, I will stay here. So you can write you may go if you want, but I will stay here. मीन्स अगर आप यहाँ से जाना चाहते हो तो आप जा सकते हो, बट मैं यहाँ ठहरूँगा. Fourth one, the injured driver has been saved. His condition is serious. According to the sentence, we can write that although the injured driver has been saved, yet his condition is serious. Okay, so we have done with fourth one also. Sentence is, do you like stories, do you like plays? So here we have options, so we should use or. Do you like stories or plays? Then question mark. Okay. Oh, there should be D, not F. Okay, it was a mistyping, so you should correct it. It's do you like stories or plays? Moving on, sixth sentence is, he is very clever, he cannot be deceived. Sixth one, write like this, he cannot be deceived. He cannot be deceived because he is very clever. He is very clever. Okay. See me in the morning, see me in the evening. Write 7-1. See me in the morning or in the evening.